All right, morning, folks. Jeff Morvey Diagnostics. October the 6th, it's a Sunday. I'm going to kind of show you the importance of a dehumidifier in your RV when you're in storage. Some of you, all you need is a 15-20 amp service. You got to remember, though, you got your inverter, converter, or combination inverter converter charging your batteries too. Remember, if they're wet cell, you got to keep the water level up in them. I use AGMs, and I did have a cook-off on one of my alternator. Way out of whack, we were going to a Beaver rally, or a Beaver dam, headed up by Margaret and David, I think. So, it's very successful. I had fun, but we couldn't take ours. So we just went down and rented a hotel. Here we go. I'm going to show you something. This is from about 9 o'clock last night to about 11 this morning. It's over a gallon and a half. Okay. And I got it hooked into, right here goes down, that refrigerator drain. Here, I'll take it off. That's a dehumidifier inside. Yeah, I could run the AC, but you know what? That don't pull enough either. All right, so let's see here. Put you on pause. I know somebody, oh my God, the video's moving. All right, so you go, where do I tie into? This. That goes all the way back. That's my private drain line right there. All right, and that's from your refrigerator. And I'm tied into that. All right. So you're saying, well, let's check it out. All right, here we go. We're going to go inside the coach. This is the one I just did the internal, external seals on. I still want to adjust my slide to perfection, but it works. But I like perfection. Okay, here we go. Now keep it all closed up. Right. Remember, I did the backsplash and all that. Okay, so keep it at 35%, so it's getting ready to go off. So I bought the kind that has a hose, and I tied that into the drainage. Let me turn the light off for you. I made a video of that, how I did it. So put you on pause. You want to get this kind. So it has the, there you go. It has a hose. It's not dripping. See, usually the bucket would fill up, and it would do 30 pints a night, a whole day. I don't know, but now don't worry about it. Put it back on. It'll come back on a little bit. It'll turn off at 35%. So that's pretty much. Eventually, there'll be a video on the alternator I'm going to do. That's why you off and all that. So. Right, and that's heavy as heck. I gotta put my. Got another video I'm gonna make. That's the alternator right there. That big old thing with the silver label on top of it between the two pipes. Actually, 3 pipes. I'm gonna put a powered lift motor system on this because I gotta replace the struts anyway, so I might as well spend the money. And I'm gonna make it to where it's manual, you can lift it up. That's probably not good for the seals. All right, so that's it. It's your decision what you do, whether you put in one of these dehumidifiers. And I know a lot of people go, oh, I buy that damp rid stuff. Folks, that stuff gets sucked up in the first 2 days. It ain't worth a crap after that. This is continuous. So we run about 60 to 70% humidity around where I'm at. And some days it's less, way less, but it depends on what storm surge comes in. So once again, I took the table out for the puppies to stay right here. We're going to get rid of this. We're going to get rid of this, put in theater seating, and I'm getting rid of that, make my own custom fireplace and televator. So remember, I just put a hole through there. That comes off that hose. I just pulled off. I let it run. You'll see that quick by opening that. Went up to 44% opening. So, all right, folks. Thank you very much, Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Just a quick video to let you know. Please put a dehumidifier in there. everything. Some of these RVs I go into, they smell mildew and all. It just don't do any good. All right, so thank you very much. Don't forget I have a campground with 50 amp, 30 amp water and sewage, and it's a stay while you wait for repairs, or you can help with the repairs, saving a lot of money, and learn your RV, and it's a school too. All right, thank you very much.